Hey there, everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful week. I know that we are just getting into October now, and back to school is in full swing. I just thought I would pop on over here and give you guys a peek inside of some amazing homework helpers that we have from Usborne. As you guys know, I am homeschooling my oldest son, Alex, and we actually use many of these books during our school every day. And I can imagine they'd be super helpful for homework for lots of other kids. So I have 3 different dictionaries that we have that I'd like to show you. We've got 2 specifically for elementary. One is math and one is science. And then we also have the Usborne Illustrated Dictionary. And the last one is our Not Your Everyday Illustrated Thesaurus. So Alex and I have been using all of these, and I thought I would give you guys a peek inside them to see if it's something that may help your little ones with their homework. So inside of the math dictionary, it has the flexi binding, and I'm going to try to hold it up where you can see inside. Well, it's sort of, there we go. So it's got measurements, dealing with data, numbers and facts, calculations, shape and space. And the thing that I love about these is they include pictures to describe. So for instance, if your child is learning about fractions, here are some ways to look at them. And of course, cake is something that all children love, so it may grab their attention. That is for fractions, and then estimating and calculating, adding and subtracting, how to use a calculator, talking about irregular shapes and polygons, what equilateral are, 3D shapes. So I just think this is a great reference of lines of symmetry. Even for me as an adult, it is a great refresher. It also has obviously a glossary in the back, so if there's a specific keyword that you're looking for, you can look it up. So that's the math dictionary. The second dictionary is the elementary science dictionary, and we have also been using this one specifically for studying plants right now. But the way this one is broken out is living things, forces, energy, materials, the earth and space, and science at work. So again, you can go through and actually this is one of the pages we looked at. So looking at flowers, talking about the parts of a flower, how pollination happens, how fertilization happens, and how a cherry fruit turns from a flower into the actual fruit. How animals move, how animals eat. Talks about our circulatory system, how our pulse works, about different biomes. I know they've been learning about that at Montessori. About different kinds of metals, where you can find them. So again, this is a great reference, and I love the fact that it has beautiful illustrations. It has pictures included, and lots of color for kids to check out. About our universe, solar system. So this is our science dictionary. Then we have our regular illustrated dictionary, which we've been using this on a daily basis. Oh, and it actually starts, I think this is so cool. It starts talking about the parts of speech. What is a noun? What is a pronoun? What is an adverb? What is an adjective? Talks about how to put sentences together. It gives you tips and hints on writing. Goes through the story of our language at the very beginning. English today and its variety. And then I'll just open up to any old page here. And then it has pictures as you go through. So it's not just word upon word upon word. So this is also a really great resource. And last but not least is our illustrated thesaurus. So this also, like I said, has a lot of illustrations. And let me get to the contents so you can see inside. And it talks about all the different ones that it has in here broken out into different topics. So size words, different ways to describe people. Instead of said, what could you say? Weather words, what is the weather like today? It's hot, so you could say it's balmy or boiling or scorching, sweltering, tropical. Talks about the weather map symbols, under the sea, story endings, cooking, ways to describe food. This is great. Alex and I have been using it for writing in his creative writing. Fairy tale words, in space. And everybody needs to know how to describe aliens, of course. Kings and castles. And then a glossary at the back. So this is just a peek inside a couple of the books that Alex and I use every day. I thought they might be helpful for your children with their homework or, research papers or things like that. They really are super well written, they're heavy duty, they just feel really nice, and they're not enormous. So if you have questions about any of them, please let me know. And I hope you guys are all doing great. Enjoy the rest of the week. We'll talk to you later.